Peace, love, sanity, easy curves review, take 1. Hey guys, thank you so much for coming back to see me. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Claudia Martinez, and I am on a search for inner peace, self-love, and sanity. Sorry if you've heard that a million times, but that's what this channel is all about. I'm doing a review on easy curves, which is, to me, the most natural way that a woman can grow her boobs besides having kids. I mean, I'm not that busty at all. Like, I could turn to the side and you could see, like, my boobs actually go down and then out. So there's like no muscle right here, like, so like nothing like lifts them up. I put this bathing suit on so you can see pretty clearly what's going on with me upstairs. I want to show you how this amazing product worked because I've done this before. I kid you not, my mom was looking for a scar. I was much younger, so she was like, "What did you do?" And I was like, "Mom, I started using this thing." And she's like, "What are you talking about?" So I showed her, and it showed her like the pressure that it puts onto my chest. It took me 2 weeks to like really fill these up. So I'm gonna do that again because I feel like it at this point in my life again. I know it's gonna give me more confidence, so why not literally become stronger up here? That's all it is, right? I just wanna fill this in so I can just, my boobs can sit up higher. There's a lot of different types of boobs. I hear that everyone has like a smaller boob and a bigger boob. Mine have this big space right in between. Like, there's some girls that have this like cool cleavage. I don't. I mean, mine's fine, but like, you see, this boob is definitely smaller than this one. I don't know if you can tell, how low this is, and this one's much higher. So like, they're uneven. Everybody has uneven boobs. It's okay. I want to show you how this works and how it's helped me before, and it will help me now plump up my pecs here. First of all, Easy Curves has this cool like guide that helps you understand how to do it, and it's actually really confusing in the beginning because you're like, wait, which way today? Oh, tomorrow? No, that. So because there's a lot of different movements. What I like to do is hang this up somewhere in my room so I can just look at it and follow it. And there are pills that come with this. I'm staying away from them because like I said, I want to just do this naturally, and at this point in my life, see how great my boobs will look. Also, there are resistant levels to this. Right now, I'm on level 1, and it is kind of hard. So, I don't know how I'm gonna get to level 6, but that doesn't matter. Doing this review here, and I'm gonna keep on updating you guys on Instagram. So if you see this, you like it, you like me, go follow me on Instagram, and I will keep you updated on how my boobs are doing. Okay, so this is the first movement, 20 times, and then you flip it. I have great upper body strength. Like, I just do. I was a cheerleader for a long time, down here, throwing people up in the air. So, it takes a lot of patience, especially if you don't have that much muscle or like coordination up top, like mind to muscle, meaning, you just naturally know how to use your upper body, just like ballerinas know how to like, fall gracefully, or, a track person knows how to like explode when they start to run. So my point is, if you don't have that much upper body strength, you probably will get tired. Just be patient and don't go fast, because then you're not going to finish, you're going to quit. This whole journey is about growing, because I know that's going to help me love myself more. Not only because I finished something that I started, but because I'm going to feel more confident. Okay, so that's the first movement, right? Up and down, and then you flip it, up and down. So that's considered 2. One movement and then the second. This is the third. You put your arms out like this, straight out. This is a perfect example of how my boobs are starting to strengthen and how these muscles are going to fill in. See, this is muscle that's just not strong or full. This is who I am, and I'm trying to love myself. So whatever my body produces from this, that's what I'm gonna take. Or I can just get surgery, or have kids, which I'm not gonna do right now. So this is all I got. The next move, the fourth move, is excuse my armpits. Why? Because I wax them, and right now they're too short to wax, so I have to grow them back. Judge me if you want. So you just go up high like this. See, look at my chest moving, right above your forehead. Ooh, I'm tired. That was only like 7. You need stamina and you need to be patient, because if you're not, you're never gonna finish and you're just gonna buy this for nothing. And the last, final, 5th movement for this day or night is down low. Look at my boobs working again. Oh yeah. So that's the first round, meaning one night, that's what you do. Now the second night, diagonal, diagonal. And if you rush, it's just gonna be annoying. You're not gonna wanna do it. I've done that, I've quit. And that's why I think I've only done it successfully one time. So patience, patience. Those were the first and second moves of this day. Now you do tabletop, which is actually my favorite out of all the moves. I feel like it's the easiest, and I really feel like I'm working. Here we go. Check out the chest. Let me get closer. I don't wear a shirt when I'm working on this, and I could just see them lifting and just like trying to grow. You know, you're just strengthening this part of yourself. Whether you have a bustier, top, that's okay, because maybe you can just firm them. My goal is to lift. All of my boob is down here. So I just want to lift this a little bit. You see? This one's gonna grow more because obviously it's smaller. Look, it's all good. It's part of accepting ourselves. That's part of loving ourselves. Now, if you work on yourself, you don't know what your body can do. You don't like your body, maybe you're not doing anything for it. And that includes me. I turn a little bit like this. And then you flip it. Look at my boobs working. Look at that. Hey now. Totally worth it. I don't know how many times I have to say that. You can find this on Amazon. I think I paid like 20 bucks for it. For the heck of it, I'm going to announce what boob size I am. I have always been a 34B, and now I'm a 34A. AB. So right now I would buy an A cup. Thank you so much for listening and watching. I really hope that you found this helpful and I convinced you to get it. The Easy Curves workout plan, totally worth it. This looks like a sex toy, but it's not. It's just something that's gonna help you grow your tits if you want them, or firm your tits if you need it. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter. This is all crossing over. Self-love was definitely the motivation behind this. Don't forget that push-ups also help. Every time I'm done with my little session, I get down and I do 10 push-ups. That's it. Definitely helps tighten everything and just kind of advance the process. Easy Curves also recommends that you stretch for like 20 seconds before you get into it, which I find very helpful. Just stretch, stretchy, stretchy, stretch. Easy Curves, thank you so much for your help and for your demonstrations, and to let everybody on YouTube know that it works. And to go order it, I have the link down below so you can check it out and just get it in the mail as soon as possible. Thank you, Easy Curves.